Henry Ford wasn't just a car manufacturer. He was a revolutionary thinker who transformed the way industries operate. His development of the assembly line didn't just make automobiles affordable, it redefined manufacturing and modern life. In this video, we'll explore Ford's journey from his early experiments with machines to creating a global empire that changed the world. Born on July 30th, 1863, in Greenfield Township, Michigan, Henry Ford grew up on a farm. While his family valued agriculture, Henry had little interest in farming. Instead, he was fascinated by machinery. At just 15, he built his first steam engine and later moved to Detroit to work as a machinist. His curiosity and mechanical skill would lay the foundation for his groundbreaking career in the automobile industry. Ford's journey wasn't without challenges. His first company, the Detroit Automobile Company, failed after just 2 years, but Ford didn't give up. In 1903, he founded the Ford Motor Company with the mission of making cars accessible to the average person, not just the wealthy elite. The breakthrough came in 1908 with the Model T. Reliable, durable, and easy to operate, the Model T became an instant success. Priced initially at $850, Ford's methods soon brought the cost down, making car ownership a reality for millions. While Ford didn't invent the assembly line, he perfected it. In 1913, he introduced the moving assembly line at his Highland Park plant in Michigan. By assigning specific tasks to workers and using conveyor belts to move parts, production times for the Model T dropped dramatically from 12 hours to just 93 minutes per car. This innovation allowed Ford to scale production and slash costs, eventually lowering the Model T's price to as little as $300. The efficiency of his assembly line became a model for industries worldwide, from textiles to electronics. Ford's vision wasn't just about building cars, it was about empowering people. Before the Model T, cars were luxury items. Ford wanted to make them a practical tool for the everyday person. With increased production and lower costs, car ownership in the United States exploded. By 1927, over 15 million Model T cars had been sold, giving rise to road networks, suburban communities, and a mobile society. Henry Ford understood that to sell his cars, his workers needed to afford them. In 1914, he made a bold move, doubling his workers' daily wage to $5 and reducing the workday from 9 hours to 8. While critics called it excessive, Ford's policy improved worker loyalty, reduced turnover, and boosted productivity. More importantly, it set a precedent for fair wages and better working conditions in American industry. Ford's success wasn't without challenges. Competitors like General Motors began offering a wider variety of cars with advanced features, challenging the dominance of the Model T. Ford also faced criticism for his autocratic management style and controversial personal views, including anti-Semitic writings that tarnished his reputation. Yet his contributions to industry and society remain undeniable. In 1927, Ford replaced the Model T with the Model A, responding to changing consumer demands. His son, Edsel Ford, took on leadership roles, helping modernize the company. Although Ford stepped back from day-to-day operations, his influence persisted. During World War II, Ford Motor Company shifted to produce military vehicles, contributing to the Allied war effort. Henry Ford passed away on April 7, 1947, but his legacy lives on. His innovations didn't just revolutionize the auto industry, they transformed manufacturing, labor relations, and consumer culture. The Ford Motor Company remains a global leader, producing vehicles for millions. And Ford's principles of efficiency, affordability, and accessibility continue to influence industries far beyond automobiles. While Ford is remembered as a business magnate, he was also a philanthropist and innovator. He founded the Henry Ford Museum in Dearborn, Michigan, showcasing the evolution of American ingenuity. Ford also focused on education, establishing schools and supporting technical training programs. His personal life reflected his values: simple, hard-working, and dedicated to progress. Henry Ford's story is a testament to how innovation, determination, and a vision for the future can change the world. From the first Model T to today's electric vehicles, Ford's influence continues to drive progress. Thank you, Henry Ford, for showing us that even the humblest beginnings can lead to extraordinary achievements.